Hello students of grade 11 applied maths and maths. Today we'll do arithmetic progression exercise 9.2. But before we start the exercise, let us know the formula of this exercise. Arithmetic progression you have already done in grade 10. If a series either increase or decrease by the same amount, then this type of series are called arithmetic progression. Okay. The formula of the nth term an is a plus n minus 1d. An means nth term, A means first term, N means number of terms, and D means common difference. Now in short, mostly we'll be using in short. Okay, if I write A5 means A plus 4D, fifth term is A plus 4D, 1 less than D. If I write A10, that means A plus 9D. If I write A15, that means A plus 14D. We can write like that in short. You also have to know this SN formula, sum of n term. Sum of n term formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. This is one more formula. If you know the first and the last term, Sn is n by 2a plus an. Sometimes we may use L also in place of an. Arithmetic mean. Suppose there are two numbers a and b, and between this we are going to insert another number. Suppose capital A we are inserting. Then the arithmetic mean is given by a equal to a plus b by 2. And suppose we are inserting more number, then we find the value of d by doing b minus a by n plus 1. N is the number of term, and we can find a1 by using the formula a plus d. Capital A2 means a plus 2d, a3 will be a plus 3d. Capital A. Okay, this is for inserting a number between two numbers to make it AP. So these are the formula you have to know for this exercise. Let's start the exercise. Exercise 9.2. Question number 1. Find the sum of the odd integer from 1 to 2001. So the series will be, your AP will be, they are saying 1 to odd number. Okay, so we can write 1, 3, 5, goes on, and the last number will be 2001. 2001 is also an odd number. First find A. D will be second term minus first term, that is 3 minus 1, always 2. And AN is given as 2001. So unless you find N, how many terms are there, you cannot find the sum. Okay, we're going to find sum. So using the formula here, a plus n minus 1d equal to 2000, we'll find the value of n. A is 1 plus n minus 1d is 2. So we're getting 1 plus 2n minus 2. 2n minus 1 equal to 2001. 2n equal to 2001 plus 1. So 2n equal to, n equal to 2002 by 2. That means 1001. N is 1001. Now find sum of the n term using the short formula Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an. N is 1001 by 2. First term is 1 plus the last term an. The last term is 2001. So 1001 by 2 into 2002. Cancel it. 1001. So if you multiply 1001 and 1001, you will get 100. If you multiply these two numbers, 1002001. This is the answer. Okay. Let's do question number 2. Find the sum of all the natural number lying between 100 and 1000. So they are saying all the natural number which is a multiple of 5 between 100 and 1001. So between means I cannot take these two number, okay, in between. So the AP will be 105 110 multiple of 5 115, and it will go on 120 and goes on till 995 because I cannot take 1000. So the first term here is D will be 110 minus 105, this minus this 5. AN is same thing, okay, 995. First find N. If you try to, this will be your homework, okay. First find N. You'll get N as 179. Then after that you'll find Sn using the formula N by 2 A plus AN. I'm just giving a hint. 179 by 2 A plus AN. A is 105 plus AN is 995. Your answer must be, final answer must be 98450. Sorry, 98450. First find N, then find Sn, okay. Your answer will be 98450. Let's do next question. Question number 3. In an AP, the first term is 2, so we can write A equal to 2, and the sum of the first 5 term S5 is, they've given S5 is 1/4 of the next 5. So as per question, all right, we're going to find to prove A20, to prove, okay, A20 equal to minus 112. We have to get this answer. So they're saying that sum of the first 5 term S5 is 1/4 of the sum of the next 5 term. That means suppose there are 5 term, I'm just giving, okay, 1 2 natural number, okay, 3 4 5. Sum of the first term is 1/4 of the next 5. So what will be the next 5? Next 5 will be the whole 10 minus the first 5, okay. Sum of the whole 10 minus the first 5. So next 5 will be sum of the whole 10 minus sum of the first 5 terms. So if you cross multiply, you will get 4S5 equal to S10 minus S5. Bring S5 here. 4S5 plus S5 equal to S10. So 4S5 plus S5 is 5S5 equal to S10. Now use the formula. Sn formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula. So 5 is already there. N by 2, so 5 by 2, 2a, 2a, a is 2. I'm doing directly, okay. Plus n minus 1, 5 minus 1, d we don't know, we have to find. And here n by 2, 10 by 2, 2a, a is 2, plus 10 minus 1, d. This both side 2 is cancelled. We're getting 25 here, 4 plus 4d. This is 10, 4 plus 9d. So we'll get multiply, or we can cancel both side by 5, 5 2 times, 5 5 times. So multiply 20 plus 5 4 is 20d. 8 plus 2 9 is 18d. Arrange it. 20d minus 18d equal to 8 minus 20. So 2d equal to minus 12. So d will be minus 6. If you cancel, 2 6 times 12, okay, 2 6 times 12, d is minus 6. there's very less space, so I'm just doing here. You are going to prove A20. So find A20. A20 means A plus 19D. A is 2 plus 19 into D is minus 6. 2 minus 6, 9 is 54. 6, 1 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're getting minus 1, 1, 2. Hence proof, okay? We're going to prove A20 equal to minus 1, 1, 2. We got minus 1, 1, 2. So first we have found out the value of D, then we are finding A20. Let's do next. How many terms of an AP? Minus 6. So AP is given minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5 dot dot dot. So A is minus 6. D will be minus 11 by 2 minus minus 6. So it will be minus 11 by 2 plus 6. LCM is 2. Minus 11 plus 12. We are getting 1 by 2. So to give the sum as minus 25, Sn is given as, I'll do from the corner so that space is here, or just right. Sn is given as minus 25. Sn formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d equal to minus 25. And we don't know, just write n. 2 into a is minus 6, n minus 1 d is 1 by 2. These two go cross multiply, minus 50. Okay, this 2 into minus 25 is minus 50. This is minus 12 plus n minus 1 by 2. Take the LCM again. Minus 24 plus n minus 1. So this will be n minus 25. These two will go cross multiply again, minus 100. So multiply, this is n square minus 25n minus 100 come here, so plus 100 equal to 0. Do middle term factorization. 20 plus 5. 20 into 5 is 100 and 20 plus 5 is 25. So we'll get n square minus 25n minus plus is minus 5n plus 100 equal to 0. So what is common? N is common. N minus 25. Here 5 is common. So this is 20, okay? N minus 20. So I'm doing here n minus 20, n minus 5 equal to 0. Either n minus 20 equal to 0, n is 20, or n minus 5 equal to 0, n is 5. So number of term will be 20 or 5. Okay, so we got number of term. We're going to find n, so we got number of terms. You can pause the video to write the solution. Thank you. Let's go to question number 5. In an AP, the p term is given as 1 by q. So AP is 1 by q. So we can write a plus p minus 1. If it was n, then we write n minus 1. So a plus p minus 1 d equal to 1 by q. Mark this as equation 1. AQ is 1 by p. That means a plus q minus 1 d is 1 by p. Equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 minus 2 implies. So I'm subtracting a minus a plus p minus 1 d minus q minus 1d equal to 1 by q minus 1 by p. So this minus this, this minus this, this minus this. We're subtracting 1 and 2. So a minus a is gone. Here we'll get pd minus d minus qd plus d equal to, here LCM is pq, cross multiply p minus 1, d minus d is cancel. Here common in these two is d, p minus q, this is q, okay. Again this is cancel, your d is 1 by pq. Put the value this in equation 1. Equation 1 is this one, a plus p minus 1 by q. Put the value, a is, we're going to find p minus 1, d is 1 by q, pq equal to 1 by q. So a will be 1 by q minus, this thing will go on the other side, will be minus p minus 1 by pq. Take the LCM, pq is the LCM, qq is there, so p minus 1. Cancel, a is 1 by pq. A is also 1 by pq and d is also 1 by pq. You are going to prove what? Prove that sum of pq term, spq, okay. To prove spq equal to 1 by 2 pq plus 1. So let us prove that. So Sn formula is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Put the value, n is pq, as we are going to find spq. Pq by 2, 2 into a is 1 by pq plus pq minus 1, d is also 1 by pq. So I'm doing here pq by 2, this is 2 pq plus pq minus 1 by pq. I'm doing here, if we take the LCM, pq by 2, LCM will be same only, no change on the upside, 2 plus pq minus 1. So pq cancel after LCM, we can write 1 by 2 pq, 2 minus 1 is 1. So you got the answer, see, hence proof, okay. Let's do next question, question number 6. If the sum of a certain number of terms of AP is 116, find the last term. So here 25, 22, 19 is given. A is 25, D is 22 minus 25, that is minus 3, and nth term an is 116. Oh, sorry, sum is given, okay. Sn is 116. Use the formula on the left side. And we don't know we're going to find, then only we can find the last term, okay. A 2 into a is 25 plus n minus 1, d is minus 3. So n, this is 50 minus 3n plus 3. This will go cross multiply, so 2, 3, 2 if you cross multiply. So n, this is minus 3n, 50, 153, not 153, only 53, okay. 2 into 25 is 50. Multiply minus 3n square plus 53n. If you bring it here, minus 2, 3, 2 equal to 0. Change the sign. So we have to do middle term factorization. So middle term factorization will be 3 and 2 32 will go by 2 2116 253 no 258 again 229. So if I multiply this, 8 3 is 24, 24 plus 29 is 53. So 29 plus 24, so 3n square minus 29n minus 24n plus 232 equal to 0. Here n is common, 3n minus 29. Here 8 is common, 3n minus 29. So we write 3n minus 29, n minus 8 equal to 0. Either 3n minus 29 equal to 0, so n will be 29 by 3, or n minus 8 equal to 0, that is n will be 8. We cannot take this because n cannot be fraction. N can be always a counting number, natural number. So n is 8. Okay, you're going to find the last term a8. That means a plus 7d. A is 25 plus 7 into d is minus 3. So 25 minus 21 is 4. So the last term is 4. Let's do question number 7. Find the sum of the nth term of an AP whose kth term is k plus 1. So simple. First we need a first term. AK is given as k plus 1. So we'll find A1, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2. And sum of the n terms, so we'll find an, that means n plus 1. So Sn formula is n by 2. If you know the first term, we can use this. So n by 2, the first term is 2 plus an is n plus 1. Find the sum of the n term of an AP whose kth term is this one. I think it's 5k. Okay, I made mistake here. This is 5k plus 1. Okay, so 5 into 1, so 5 plus 1 is 6. This is 5k, 5n plus 1. So A1 is 6. This is 5k plus 1. I wrote k plus 1. So A1 is 6 and AN is 5n plus 1. So we're getting n by 2, 5n plus 7. This is your answer. Let's do question number 8. In this, if the sum of the n term of an AP is this one, Sn is given. Okay, find the common difference. So first find S1. Sn is Pn plus Qn square. So we'll find S1, that is P into 1 plus Q into 1 square, that is P plus Q only. We'll find S2, sum of the first two term, P into 2 plus Q into 2 square, that is 2P plus 4Q. So A1 will be the first term, that is P plus Q, and A2 is the second term. Second term we get by subtracting these two, S2 minus S1. We did in grade 10 also. That is 2P plus 4Q minus P plus Q. Subtract this. So we are getting P plus 3Q. Now if you find the D, always second term minus first term. So A2 minus A1, or second term minus first term. A2 is P plus 3Q minus the first term is P plus Q. Solve this. P plus 3Q minus P minus Q. You are getting 2Q. So common difference is always second term minus first term. Okay. So we have first find the sum of the first term, sum of the second term. Then we have found out the value of first term and the second term. Then to find the common difference, A2 minus A1. Question number 9. The sum of the n term of two APs are in the ratio of 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 6. Find the ratio of the 18th term. So we can write sum of n terms of first AP by sum of n terms of second AP is, the ratio is 5n plus 4 by 9n plus 6. So use the formula n by 2. For the first term we're using A1 plus n minus 1 D1. For the second AP we're using n by 2 A2, not the second term, okay, n minus 1, symbol as common difference as D2, equal to 5n plus 4 by 9n plus 6. We can cut this. We're getting 2a1 plus n minus 1 d1 by 2a2 plus n minus 1 d2 is 5n plus 4 by 9n plus 6. Now you're going to find the ratio of 18th term. So 18th term of first AP by 18th term of second AP. Formula is A plus 17D, but for first AP we're using A1 and second AP common difference is D1, so it will be A2 plus 17 D2. If I multiply both sides by 2, up and down also, it will be 34 D2. Here also 2A2 plus 34 D2. That means we'll get 2a2 plus 35 minus 1 d2 by 2a2 plus 35 minus 1 d2. So mark this as 2, mark this as 1. Comparing 1 and 2, we get the value of ns. See, when we compare these two, see 2, this is a1, okay, 2a1 plus n minus 1d, so 35 minus 1d. In place of n we are getting 35. So find the ratio 9. 35, that means ratio will be 5n plus 4. That means in place of n you put 35, you get the answer, okay. 5 into 35 is 175 plus 4, and this will be 95 is 45, 93 is 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So your answer will be 179 by 321. So this is your answer, okay. You can pause the video and write the solution. Thank you.